Some of the best recipes are often the simplest, and this maple walnut crusted salmon fits that exactly. What I love about this new oven is that it comes with a good heavy roasting pan, and I'm going to use the feature that is speed convection. Salmon cooks very quickly. We want to get lots of heat so that texture on the outside is nice and crisp and the inside is perfectly and delicately cooked. With speed convection, my 2 salmon fillets are perfectly cooked in just 15 minutes. The salmon is beautifully pink, walnuts are nice and crispy, and that's ready to go to the dinner table.